Hey guys, we just got some flex shaft in to try out. These are the Renssi heads from Finland. So you hook the shaft up to your battery drill, put on a low torque setting, and as you squeeze it in, it spins around. You can see it'd be quite effective down the drain. So as you push it down, it hits the roots, the chain expands out. That's set for 2 inch. You can close this in and make the chain wider, or you can put on more serious heads on bigger flex shaft. So this is ideal for cleaning out descaling cast iron pipes and tree roots from drains. The beauty is you can put your camera in behind it and watch what it's doing, and if you're doing a grease line, just wipe it out as you come out. Run a hose behind it and that'll just flush out all the debris. So good little system. We're going to test it out and we're going to get back to you with our thoughts on it.